How to create a calculated field in Tableau in 3 easy steps. This free tutorial is brought to you by Tableau.Courses. Tableau.Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers and newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.courses. Hello, and welcome to this how-to video. I'm Marco, and I will be your instructor for this session. You can learn more about me at blog.tableau.courses/Marco. I hope you will enjoy this session together. Today, you will learn how to create a calculated field in Tableau. This skill is part of the Tableau certification exam. You can learn more about the certification and requirements at get.tableau.courses/certification. To follow along with this lesson, you need to connect to a source in Tableau and be familiar with the Tableau workspace. If you need help, please look at the recommended tutorials linked in the video notes. This lesson does not require a specific set of data, but in case you need a sample set of data, you can download it at get.tableau.courses/sample dataset. Creating a calculated field in Tableau is straightforward. Let's do it together. After connecting to a source, Tableau brings you inside a worksheet. On the left side, Tableau displays all the fields within your source and organizes them as dimensions and measures. You can create a calculated field in 3 easy steps. First, go to Analysis and then click on Create Calculated Field. Then, enter a name for your calculated field, profit ratio. Lastly, enter your formula and click OK. In this example, you will divide the sum of profits against the sum of sales to obtain the profit ratio. After creating a calculated field, it's good that you set its default properties. You can do it in 3 easy steps. First, right-click on Profit Ratio, then Default Properties and select Number Format. Select the most appropriate number format, in this case, percentage. Lastly, customize its aspect, 1 decimal only. Before you go, let's verify together the correctness of your work by building a simple table that visualizes sales, profits, and profit ratios by region. You can do it in 3 easy steps. First, add region to the rows. Double-click on profit, profit ratio, and sales. Lastly, adjust the number format for profit and sales by setting them as currency. Well done! You built a simple table that visualizes the sales, profits, and profit ratios by region. And yes, your calculated field profit ratio works as expected. Congratulations! You are now able to create a calculated field in Tableau. This skill is part of the Tableau certification exam. You can learn more about the certification and requirements at get.tableau.courses/certification. Next, I am sharing a few videos I think you'll find interesting. This is Marco from Tableau.Courses. Tableau.Courses is the go-to learning platform for career switchers or newbies. Learn more at www.tableau.courses. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.